Pose dedicated to stage Koundinyasana B or Koundinyasana B, and sometimes it is called Yogavatar Koundinyasana 2 in Sanskrit, is an advanced arm balance that improves focus and strength. The split-legged arm balance that is sometimes dubbed flying splits, as it resembles a front split hovering away from the floor. This challenging asana has become a staple in many vinyasa classes. Inhale, coming onto your hands and your knees. Tuck the toes to plank. Exhale, move into downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up into the air and externally rotate it open from the hip socket. The toes spin out, heel in. This action will make the left hip want to jut out. So make an extra effort to firm the outer left hip to stabilize the pelvis. Exhale, bend your right knee and shift your shoulders directly over the heels of the hands and simultaneously bring the right knee onto the right upper arm. The arms are kept straight and upper back slightly rounded. Be aware to keep the pelvis open. It's easy to place just the front of the kneecap on the arm, neutralizing the hips. While keeping the inner knee on the arm above the elbow, inhale and bend the elbows into full chaturanga, elbows above the wrists, forearms hugged in, shoulder heads lifted, and gaze slightly forward. Keep the ball of the back foot on the ground and stay calm. Keep the gaze extending. Dig the fingertips into the ground and begin to isometrically pull through the hands. Exhale as the heart extends forward. The rear leg will begin to lighten and lift. Extend the front leg straight, hovering the legs up into split leg. The elbows are stacking on top of the wrist. The abdominals are contracted strongly, keeping the body parallel to the floor. The toes are all spread out to keep the line of energy active. Be careful. Do not let the left shoulder drop. Keep the shoulder heads even and the gaze straight forward. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, left toes down and push back up into downward facing dog. Koundinyasana 2 can begin from hands and knees on the ground. Inhale, step right foot forward. Exhale, bring right shoulder underneath of the right thigh. Place right hand underneath of right foot and hold right foot up. Tuck back toes. Inhale, bend your elbows and lean the body forward into like a chaturanga. Exhale, float the legs up into your flying split. The arms are pushing away from the ground to keep the body up and the legs are kicking through to keep the balance. Exhale, release in reversing the order of movements and resume the starting position. For beginners, the side body can be rested on the upper arm and the back leg can be bent. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, bring the right shoulder underneath of the right thigh. Inhale, lean the body forward and rest the left side of the body onto the left upper arm and bend the back knee to float the legs up or extend through the knee. Exhale, release in reversing the order of movements and resume the starting position.